Hi friends, so welcome to Rasoi Eliza's kitchen. Today I am preparing anchovy pira or natoli pira. Here I have taken almost 600 gram of anchovy or natoli, cleaned, washed nicely with salt and lemon. Okay, for this pira, what we need is I have taken 4 medium size of onions, kokum or Garcinia tamarind, okay, and then I have taken 3 to 4 green chilies, but here these are little spicier one, okay, and I'm not using any other chili, in the sense I'm not putting red chili or black pepper, anything. So only this chili will give the spice in this recipe, okay. And curry leaves, garlic, fresh coconut, and here small piece of ginger. Now I'll explain you what I am doing. Garlic, coconut and ginger I will grind, okay, coarsely I'll grind it. And additionally what we need is coconut oil. This is coconut oil. And then we need turmeric and salt according to the taste, okay. So almost everything I have told you what all I am using in this recipe. So I am cutting the onion. Try to cut half thin as you can. One onion I've cut and then keep aside, and then other one I'll take and then again. Okay friends, I have cut all the onions. As you can see, all the 4 onions I have cut. So I'll keep this aside and I will grind the coconut, garlic, ginger and curry leaves. Okay, a jar for mixer. To this I will be adding raw coconut, small piece like this, curry leaves also with it, garlic, and ginger also I'll cut in small pieces and add that. Grind it coarsely and I'll show you. After grinding, it's something like this. See, you can see, coarsely ground. It's not actually paste, okay? See, so we need like this. Okay friends, as you can see, I have taken onions, finely chopped, green chilies. I'll mix everything, even the tamarind also. Okay, to this I will be adding turmeric, okay, I think you are able to see. Now is it clear? Okay. And then to this I will be adding the coconut mixture. Now I'll mix it with my clean hands, okay. Already I have washed and cleaned, so you have to mix it like this. so that each and every ingredient should mix with one another. Okay. So friends, I am adding salt to it. It depends on your taste. Added salt. Again, I will mix it. Now this is washed anchovy as I have shown you. To this I will be adding this full mixture. Yeah, I know some people will tell that pot is very small. Yeah, it is small, but it will shrink after some time. So after the fish and the onions will release water, it will automatically shrink and it will be sufficient. This pot will be sufficient for this much of quantity. And to this I will be adding little bit of water also. So friends, I am adding water to it. I will just switch on the gas and I will keep this on the gas stove. Okay, I have switched on the gas. I am keeping it like this and I will cover this. So I have covered it. Let it cook in low to medium flame. Okay friends, in between we'll just open and see water is there. So, but yes, see the amount of water is too much, so let it dry friends. So the water, as you see, I think you are able to see the water is evaporated almost. Now I'll just switch off the gas because it's almost ready. And to this I will be adding coconut oil. That's all. And our Nattoli Meen Pira or anchovy pira is ready. So we'll just mix it once, only once, with a very light hand, like this. It's completed. Okay friends.